Hi everyone, this is Vishnu. Today I will show you one website. If you don't have Photoshop installed in your system, or if you don't have access to your system, in some cases you might need to edit a photo in Photoshop. So the online alternative for this is photopea.com, which runs in your browser. You can upload an image here, and you can get pretty much everything that Photoshop offers. You have various tools here. All those things are available in this portal. As you can see here. So if you know Photoshop, you can very easily use this tool. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.